Hello everyone, my name is K. Reddy, working as Assistant Professor at Degal Krishna Engineering College. In this video, I will explain what is ORCID, what are the requirement, how to use ORCID, why required ORCID for research scholars. I will explain in this video. This is my ORCID ID 0000 and 03550660. This is my ORCID ID. This is my employment details. These are the education qualifications. These are my research papers. I added in my ORCID ID. Here my review, peer review gender. I reviewed one Web of Science gender. Okay. First, I will start new window. So first here, type in Google Chrome ORCID. Enter here. Here ORCID is a non-property alphanumeric code to unique identity authors and contribute of scholarly communications as well as ORCID website. This is started in 2012. This ID 10 years ago. Okay. Click here ORCID official website. First, I will sign out my ID. Okay. If you don't have account here, don't have an ORCID yet, click here register now. Click here register now. Here enter your name and first last name and primary mail ID and confirm your mail ID and additional any mail ID. Example, I will type here. My name is Kalagotla Reddy. I will type my mail ID. Here showing this email already exists in our system. Would you like to sign in showing here? Okay. I have already account. If you don't have account, create your account using new register now. Now I will sign in with my already registered account. Okay. In this ORCID, first I will show preview for public record. Here print option also is available. The print option also available. First of all, this why required this ORCID means this ID required for your submitting your papers in research articles for standard journals like Scopus and SCI. We need to ORCID in upcoming days after 1 or 2 years. Every journal compulsory mandatory for ORCID. For example, I will show here. Just say transitions. Will show on gender. Okay. Now I will submit research article. Submit your research article. Welcome to Editorial Manager ISA transition. Here showing enter following details. If you have account, username, password, directly enter here. Otherwise, option is there. Or login via ORCID. Okay. Like this, if you want to submit any CI generals, Thailand Francis generals, LCL generals, any IEEE accesses, okay, we will login through ORCID. Okay, directly opened. Already I opened my ORCID ID here. That's why not asked here more details. Okay, now I opened this transaction through my ORCID ID. Okay, for submitting your papers in the SCA generals, ORCID is required. Next, here what are the details showing in ORCID website? Here name and country and other IDs. Here showing Scopus ID. This is Scopus link and next researcher ID. This is the researcher Web of Science ID. Next employment details. Here showing Eagle Crystal Engineering College. Present I am working in institute. Here my previous working experience in Narsimha Engineering College. These are my educational qualifications. I am pursuing Karunya University, Coimbatore, and my MTech details, my BTech details. Here my total research papers, my publications here showing energy management control in speed and torque coupling parallel hybrid vehicle. This is IEEE conference. Here everything showing here. If you want add your educational employment details, click here, short. Okay, add here details, title. Here edit record option is there. Edit record. Okay. If you want to add our employment details, click here, add. Select any organization or city or country. Okay, everything you will add here. Or from. For example, I will type here JNTU. Here showing JNTU College of Engineering and JNTU College of Engineering Department of Mathematics here, like showing. I will type here. For example, Pokaraju. Here showing Pokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Technology and Sciences. Here showing like this. If you want add our employment details, click here, employment. Next, educational qualifications. Here showing Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. This is my, I am pursuing PhD in Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. If you want add our educational qualifications, add education or add qualification. Like this, we will add here. Example, I will type here. TKR Engineering College, TKR. Type here Karunya. Okay, here. Okay, here showing Karunya University. Otherwise, I will type here JNTU. It's here showing JNTU College of Engineering Department and Mathematics. Okay. Here we will add our educational qualifications. Here total inbox and account settings. The tools is there. Next, I will go to here invited positions. If you have any add here membership services like IEEE, any IST membership, add here. Next year, total this total 23 publications. You're showing all. This is design and development of brushless DC motor drive for electrical vehicle application, transition on computer systems and networks. Here showing this publication details. Show more details. Click here. Here showing all details related to this general. Here showing DOA ID and part of ISBN number, part of ISBN number, part of ISSN number. Research papers. We will add our total research paper in ORCID click here. Click here ORCID. Here many options is there. We will add our details using add DOA ID or add pub media ID, add DAB text, add manually. Many options is there. If you want add DOA ID, click here add DOA ID. Just paste here. For example, I will copy this DOA ID. Will paste here. Okay. Add work. Here showing details. This is book chapter. This is that design and development of brushless DC motor drive. Published in 2022. Book title: Transitions on Computer Systems and Networks. Okay. This is BAB text. Some other general related information is there. Okay. Part of ISBN, ISSN number, part of ISBN number. Here showing total list of authors, 4 authors, some other information. Everything here showing. Okay. Already I added this paper, that's why I'm capturing here. This is IEEE conference here showing more details. Okay, performance verification of full bridge DC to DC converter used for electrical vehicle charging station. This paper published in 2022. I will click here. This DOI ID directly go to. Okay, this is IEEE conference. Here like this, we will add all details, all publication details in this website, ORCID ID. Here last option is the peer review. I reviewed one Web of Science paper. That's why they're showing this is general ISS number 10876553. Okay. Review activities for cybernet and systems. Here, this is Web of Science. Okay, review. I reviewed in 2022. Here showing type review role reviewer. Here, if you want see more details, here click here show. Okay, review identify here other ID showing here. Next here. Okay, this is the reviewer details. We're showing Calcutta Chinchility here, Oblongs ID, ORCID ID, and other research IDs verified as verified by general integration. Okay, pre-publication review we're showing like this. It's the reviewer details. Okay, all faculty members and research scholars, if you don't have account, don't have ORCID account, kindly register your ORCID account. This is mandatory for upcoming days for submitting your research papers in SCA General or Scopus Generals. This ID is mandatory. Okay, this ID very useful for in academic point of view also. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching this video.